In this video, I'll show you how to connect an antenna to your Skyworth TV and how to scan for local channels. So let's get started. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get this one. It's pretty cheap. It's made by Philips and it works quite well. So every antenna will come with one of these connectors that we need to screw in the back of the TV. So let's go over there. The antenna port is right over here. So take the connector, plug it, and now we need to screw, oops, sorry, let me redo it. So connect it and then screw the tip. Once you're done, make sure it's not going anywhere. Now you're going to take your remote control and you're going to press the settings button right over here on the top right corner. You're going to select all settings. Okay, it's the option on the top right corner. Then you're going to select channels and input. It's the first option. And then select channels. Channels installation mode. And make sure that antenna is actually the one that is selected, not cable. Then go back and select channel scan, press OK. And right away the TV will start scanning. It's very important to place the antenna near a window if it's possible, because this is how it will get the most channels. Don't place it, inside of a room near a wall. Especially if you're in a corner, because it will have trouble getting any channels. So this one, if you can, on a window, this is the best position. If not, close to a window, well, you can still get some channels. So let's wait. Right now it has found 0 channels, and we'll come back when the scan is done. All right, it has finished scanning, and since I placed the antenna close to a wall, well, it has only found 2 channels, but maybe in your case you'll have more than this. Select finish, and right away you'll be able to watch those channels, and with the up and down button you'll be able to shuffle through them. Okay, just like that. You'll be able to see them. Over here I only have 2, and if you press the middle button, okay, on the remote control, you're gonna have all your channels on the left side. So if you want to see them visually, you'll be able to do so. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll put again links in the description if you want to get an antenna. And yeah, this is about it. Thanks for watching.